Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the VVPS online class. Students, as you all know that your revision classes start now. Okay? So, and your course computer and life skill both courses are completed now. Okay? I hope you all are completed your work. Okay? So, some students told me that they again want to understand this chapter 10 poem. Name is Where the Mind is Without Fear, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so I again revise. Today I will again revise this poem. So let us start, students. Poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. Okay. This is your chapter 10 where the mind is without fear. Okay. So students, today I will going to revise this chapter again. So now listen very carefully. Okay. So students, in this poem the writer says that freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Okay. Means freedom is not just a natural right of every human. Okay. Freedom is not just a natural right of every human. It is the state of mind that enables people to create the greatest and the most inspiring things. Okay, students? So, today in this chapter, you will learn some lines written by Rabindranath Tagore, and he says that how he has given importance to freedom in his own words. Okay, so let us start. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. Okay, where the mind is without fear and the knowledge is free. What is the meaning of this line, students? The meaning of this line that where the माइंड इज़ विदाउट फेयर, जहाँ आपका दिमाग बिना किसी भय के भयमुक्त होके रहे, एंड द हेड इज़ हेल्ड हाई, इट इंडिकेट्स दैट वी शुड नॉट ashamed ऑफ अवर सेल्फ, rather we should be proud of our country. Okay, so where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wall. Okay, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. जहाँ पे where the world has not been broken up into fragments, जहाँ पे देश टूटे नहीं, and by narrow domestic wall means the barrier of class, caste, creed, color, religion and other elements that divide people from one another. Okay, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection. Means tireless striving is used by the poet to urge his countrymen to break free without sloth and inactivity and struggle hard constantly to achieve perfection. Okay, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of death habit. Okay, where the mind is led forward by the into ever widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My father, let my country awake. Rabindranath Tagore. So students, in this poem the poet message that we can make our country great if we work together with dedication and sincerity. Okay, We can make our country great if we work together with dedication and sincerity. And also, a country cannot become great if its people are superstitious and narrow minded. Okay, so we can make our country great if we work together with dedication and sincerity, and a country cannot become great of its people and superstitious and narrow minded. Narrow minded मीन्स क्या होता है, मैंने बताया था ना, द बैरियर ऑफ क्लास, कास्ट, कलर, रिलीजन एंड अदर एलिमेंट्स that divide people from one another. Okay, so students, I hope you all are well understood this poem. Okay, if you ask any doubt, so if you have any doubt, so ask me in your class group. Okay.